Alright guys, I want to make a quick video of how to fix Toslink connectors. I actually yanked it out of the behind the TV and didn't really yank it out, but I was just trying to move it and it broke on me, not knowing that they can easily break. So here's my solution. In fact, I paid 20 bucks for it, so either I go buy a new one or fix it. So what I did was, once it was broken, I used these pliers and I pulled the extra cable out with the plier, and now I have enough where it would just go right through this broken connector and out at the front. All it's trying to do is, what I read is actually there's a light that goes through it, and as long as the light goes through it and it's transmitted into your TV or wherever it's connected, you should be able to hear the audio. That little broken piece sitting next to it, if it zooms in, so that little broken piece sitting next to it right here is what I pulled out of that old connector. Now that's the broken piece, and now, as I said, push this right through it, super glue the two together, and you're done. I'm gonna report back, see how it works. Alright guys, just wanted to let you know I plugged them back in and the wire is working. There it is. You can barely see it, but there you go. So it's plugged in the sound bar. I put the broken one inside the sound bar. It's easy for me to get to it. And the other one is behind the TV. So anyways, don't go buy a new one, fix it. Save you some money. Thanks, bye.